everyone, it's Luke from Universal Food Reviews. Too much. It's just too much. I'm doing shrimp tackle box, $4.99. You get 8. Excuse me, we're coughing. It's that are making me cough. Woo 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 woo. 8 shrimps. Let me get a close-up shot. Hope it doesn't get out of focus. Ooh. Stand alive. Oh. Hey everyone, it's Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. Long John Silver's Big Bitch. Lol. I'm gonna take my sport. Oops. Anyways, so let's look at it. Let's get this. Let me cut me off a piece of this haddock. I can already feel it. Very nice and flaky. Flavorful. Yelt. I want to thank George Washington for leading our troops in the African continent